Back to the ball game. Ay, thank you. Thank you, Lara lang. Video daw siya. Hindi na po, meron pa isa. Nagawak ka? Malong, it's a foul. Second shot, Malong miss. Rebound by Malong. Kick out. 4-3, no good. Pass to Coach Larus Cain. Binigay sa corner. Number 18, no good. Pass to Collado. Larus Cain gets the contact. May foul ang tinawag. On the free throw area, number 9, Coach Larus Cain. First shot is good. Basket is good. 38 to 32. Number 6, no good. Oy, dyan pala si Idol, number 6. (34 to 38). Steal. Number 1, napalakas. Uy. Too strong. Collado. Pass to Coach. Ball movement. Collado. Good. Malong atake. Up and under, no good. Number 7, walang tawag. Larus Cain. Reverse layup, walang tawag ati official. Tuloy lang, Malong, 2 against 2. Malong fake drive and gets the contact. Foul number 21. That is Nato.
Dito na kayo.
Oy, shoutout muna tayo.
Shot nyo.
Ah. Malong, ano, on the free throw.
Ayaw.
Malong, best shot, good. Yung mga 3 oras natin, sorry. Time remaining 7 minutes and 38 seconds. Malong, pasok na pasok. Para kay Malong. Uy, ba't siya? Dalawa na lang ang hinahabol ng ikatlong kanluran. Oy, rebound! Malong, derecho! Tabla na tayo. That's Pinoy step. All 38. Tabla na, pare. Ayun na. Coach Laruskain, paso Colyado. Back to Coach Laruskain at hindi papayagan na malamangan sila doon ni Coach Laruskain. 40-38. Number 7. Timbang. Stop and pump. Uy, wala. Arubal. Nasage. Same ball. Malong, drop pass. Uy, what a save by Colyado. There's a foul.
Walang malangina. Walang malala.
Pinapakita ni Archie. Ano po? Jump shot, no good. Last touch. Coach Owie. Number 21, drop pass. Oy! And 1. Pasok ba? Basket count and 1 for Colyado. Lamang na ng 4. Colyado, wala. Ibaw ng ikatlong kanluran. Ayun na. Reverse layup, miss. Pass to Malong. Number 7, bang! 3. 42-41. 1 point lead para sa Team BBC. Ayun na, number 16. Pass to Coach Laruskain at di papayag nga si Coach. Nakabawi si Coach Laruskain. Balik sa 4 ang kalamangay ng Team BBC. Ayun na, from the corner, wala. Rebound by Colyado. Pass number 16, pass to Coach Owie. Former Kagawad. Pass to Coach Laruskain. Pass to Coach Uy. Talsik si Coach. Ha? Bumalik. 3 ano sa akin? 3 plus. 3 ano? 315. 15. Ah. 315. Talsik ka dun ah. Talasig.
Mas kumagaling.
Ball game. Thank you. Ball up, Jay. Basket for Coach Laruskain. 47-41. Malong 4-3. Oh.
Ayan na tingin. Dalawa. Ang dalawa. Ay, dalawa.
Pass number 21, using the board, no good. Rebound ang ikatlong kanluran. Malong. Bounce pass. Basket. 47-43. In favor pa rin sa BBC. Number 16. Pass to Coach Laruskain and gets the contact. May foul ang tinawag. Coach Laruskain shooting for two. First shot is good. Walang kakupas-kupas pa rin si Coach. Second shot. Basket, 2 for 2. Balik sa anim ang lamang ng Team BBC. Ayan na. Handoff. Malong. Malong. Drop pass. Back to Malong sa loob. Ayan, the Malong connection. The brothers connection. Ayan. 49-45. Mabasa apat ang kalamangan ng Team BBC. Collado. Pass to Coach Owie. Pass na to. Binigay. Using the glass and score. Ayan na. Tumatakbo na ang Team Gray. Number 7. Bounce pass to Malong. Malong. Kick out. Pass number 7. Fake. What extra pass. Malong. Fade away. Block by Nato. Rebound by Coach Owie. Laruskain. Abadilla. Pass to Coach Owie. To number 18. Back to Kagawad. Owie. Laruskain. With a bomb. Using the board. Ayan na. Number 7. Number 16. No good. Pass to number 14. Coach Owie. Oy, nakalusot. Hiningal na si Coach. 55. Number 18. At nakasagot. 47. 55. Last 15 seconds. 11. 10. 9. 7. 5. 4. Collado. Bam! At ayun na nga, na-buzzer beater na. Naipasok na ni Collado ang bola. End of the third quarter. Official score 55-47 in favor of the Team BBC. Ayan, shoutout sa mga kasama ko dito. Ayan, pakita mo na. Shoutout mo tayo. Uy, nag-away. Ayan, shoutout mo tayo. Kay Idol. You know. Ayan, muna magkumay good friend. Archie, ang pinakagwapo sa Barangay West Grame. That is Archie. Anong pinili mo, Chi? Ano yung sa mukha mo yan? Akin.
Sa Michael, hindi naman po.
Akala ko ano, yung tawag ito, yung parang sa zombie. Yan yung kulay dun, di ba? Okay, fourth and last quarter. Bola rito ng team ikatlong Kanluran.
Michael, baba na.
Ayan na, timbang, no good, rebound. Makuha ni Malong, SE. Pass to number 5, gets the foul. That's number 18 ba? Malong. Pass to Timbang. Timbang, running shot. Basket. Sumabay ka pa. Kay Timbang. 49-57. Ayan na. Coach Owie. Pass to Coach Laroscain. Alley-oop. Collado. Wala extra pass. Ganda naman ang pasa nun. Easy 2 points para former Kagawad. Coach Owie Laroscain. Ayun na, number 5. Oh, last touch. Malong. Bad pass. Steal by number 8. From elbow 3, no good. Rebound. By Collado, pass to Abadilla. Abadilla. Coach Owie, pass to Abadilla. Jump shot, no good. Rebound, out that pass. Timbang, 1-on-1, 2 against 1. Timbang, wala. To number 5. Timbang to number 5. Easy, 2 points. Fourth ikatlong Kanluran. Baba sa 8 ang lamang, 59-51. Coach Laroscain. Pass to Abadilla. Pass to Coach Owie, miss. Rebound ang ikatlo. Number 18, binigay. Oy, wala. Oy, basket. Walang tawag. Bola rito. Oy, para sa ikatlo. Abadilla. Oh, steal. Ayan na. Timbang, pass number 18. Back to Timbang. Basket. Time out. Time out. BBC with official score 59-55. 7 minutes and 33 seconds. Nakakahabol na ang ikatlong Kanluran with a 4-point lead. Tignan natin kung makakabawi ang Team BBC. Coach Laroscain, backs to Collado. Basket for Collado. Assist by Coach Laroscain. In the jersey number 9. Number 7, up and under, no good. Number 8, wala. Rebound. Uy, nice save. Abadilla. Uy, walang tawag. Outlet pass, 3 against 2. Number 18, back number 7, back to number 18. Oh! And that's a 3 seconds violation. Ang tinawag nating referee, kitang-kita yun. Nabilangan, naputukan. Time remaining 6 minutes and 51 seconds. Ayan na. 7 minutes, be. Nato, it is still cross-court pass. Coach Owie, pass to Collado. Collado, pass to Larascain. Kick out, Abadilla to Nato. Back to Larascain. Coach, bounce pass. Collado, floater, wala. Rebound. Ay na, tumatakbo si Timbang. Timbang all the way! Timbang with an easy layup. 57-61. Coach Owie, top of the key for 3. Bang! 3 points para kay Coach Owie Laruscain. 64-57. Ay na, Timbang na naman. Timbang, didiskarte. Timbang, pass number 5, catch and shoot. Wala, rebound, makuha number 5. Number 5, umatake. Tiyoyo sa ere, wala. Rebound, number 9. Kick out to number 7. Top of the key for 3, wala pa rin. Rebound by Coach Owie. Uy, pati ka na magawan. Ay na, Tia Padilla, sidestep. Oy! That's a travel according sa ating officials. Ay, done. Alright, time remaining 5 minutes and 24 seconds left. Mula rito ng ikatlong kanluran. Ayan na, si Castro. Pass number 7. Number 7. Pinasa corner. Back to Malong. Malong. Binigay, no good. Steal by Coach Laruscain. Pass number 16. Pass to Coach Owie. Bebe, sorry. Mahalog lang, sorry. Thank you. Number 7. Oy! In and out by Timbang. Makuha pa rin ni Timbang. Napakatulin, napakabilis. Sidestep, block. Oh, may tawag ng foul. And there's a foul para sa team BBC. Time remaining 4 minutes and 36. Yeah, shoot at the line, number 18, Sandrino. Ah, ba? Sandrino, no? Wala. Shoutout, mami. Shoutout po kayo, ha? Di kita. Mamaya, di kita. Ayan na, si Collado. Collado. Pass to Coach Owie. Kagawad Owie. To number 16. Pass to Coach Laruscain. Uy. Sandwich si Coach Laruscain. Time remaining 4 minutes and 14 seconds. Cross-court pass. Handoff. Coach Owie, bounce pass. Ganda ng pasa naman nun. For Collado. Assist by Kagawad Owie Laruscain. Ayan na, 66-57 in favor pa rin sa Team BBC. Sorry, that's Sandrino. 59-66. Pabasa pito ang alamangan ng Team BBC. Kagawad Coach Owie Laruscain. Setting on the play. Uy! Uy, steal! By number 7. Number 7, sidestep. And there's a foul. On the free throw area, jersey number 7. Bayabad. Tama no? Bayabad.
Bayabaw.
Ah, bayaw. Bayabaw.
Bayawa.
Ano? Ano?
Bayabaw.
Bayabaw. Bayaw. Sorry. Bayawaw.
Bayabaw.
Bayabaw. Ah, okay. Sorry. Nabubulol ako sa... Bayabaw. Basket. Man, 66. Anim na lang ang inahabol. Ayan na. Oy! There's a foul. Time remaining natin 3 minutes and 11 seconds na lamang po para sa fourth quarter. Number 16. Ano naman yun, Chi?
6-7.
Pumasok ba? Second shot, 2 for 2. 3 minutes and 11 seconds. Ayan na, si Sandrino. Bayabaw. Running shot. Ooh! There's a foul. On the free throw area, number 7, that is Bayabao. Basket. 2 minutes and 54. 61-68. Bayabao. Basket. Ayan na, 6 mo na lamang ulit ang hinahabol ng ikatlong kanluran. Ooh! There's a foul. Wala pa? Penalty? Wala pa ang penalty. That is a third team foul for team ikatlong kanluran. Coach Laruscain setting on the screen. Coach Hesi, drive, nabitawan. Walang tawag, ating official. Nagkakainita na.
Naglalabot.
2 minutes and 36 seconds. Dumidikit na po ang team ikatlong kanluran.
BBC.
Coach Laruscain on the free throw area. Ball possession, guys. Pahan natin, guys, ha. Ayagan. Pass to Coach Laruscain. Uy. Good. Nakalusot. Uy, gets a foul. On the free throw area, number 16, Malong. First shot is good. Second shot, basket. 70-64. Pass to Larskain. Uy, there's a double dribble. Double dribble daw. Sabi natin official referee. Kita yon. Time remaining. Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes. Number 7. Malo. Uy! Collado, wala! Walang tawag! Rebound, uy! Malong! Pass to Malong, top of the key for 3, short!
Malong, walang kamangalan.
There's a foul. Penalty. BBC other penalty situation. 1 minute and 31. Kelsey in the line. Number 16, Malong. Ayan na. Humahabol, humahabol. Ang ikatlong kanluran. 5 na lang. Sino kaya ang magwawagi? Between Team BBC versus ikatlong kanluran. Malong basket. 4 na lang. 1 minute and 31. Ayan na. Magkakaalaman na. Saan natitira? Oy! Last touch! Last touch daw. Bola mapupunta sa team. Ikatlong kanluran. Malong. Uy! Wala tawag. Block. Rebound. May laros kain. Uy! There's a foul. Wala pa tayong penalty. 4 pa. Wala pa. Wala pa. Third yung kanina, third. 1 minute and 23. Coach Owie, pass to Coach Laruscain. 1 minute and 20 seconds. Ayan na. 4 na lang. Coach Laruscain, binigay kay Nato. Pass to Coach na. Coach Laruscain. Binigay, Collado, nakalusot. Using the glass, and score! Nakalusot si Collado. 66-72. Balik sa 6. Ayan na, stop and bomb. Basket. 68-72. Last seconds na lamang ang natitira. Uy! And that's a stepping on the line. Ayan na. 50 segundo. 68-72. Malong with the ball. Malong atake. Uy, steal! Maya Padilla. Bounce pass. Uy, niitay. Inubos na lamang. Collado, fake. Drive. And gets the foul. Last 32 seconds. Kolyado. First shot. Di pa tapos ang laban. 32 seconds. Damang ng apat. Kolyado. Bang! Ayan na, 5 na lang. Balik sa 5. Last 30 seconds. 4-3. Uy, wala. Malong. Gets a foul. Okay, masusubukan sa free throw area. Si Malong, jersey number 16. Ayan na, tingnan natin. Malong, first shot. Wala. Second shot para kay Malong. 20 segundo. Wala. Rebound. Oy! Basket count and one. Wow. Basket count plus a foul. By jersey number 7. That is Bayabao. Basket is good. Dalawa na lang. Dalawa na lang ang hinahabol ng ikatlong kanluran. Let's go! Coach Owie Kagawad. Owie, laros kayo na mag-inbound. Oh! Oh, there's a foul. Ayan na. Penalty tayo. Both teams under penalty situation. Masusubukan dito si Coach Laruscain, the brother of Coach Kagawad, Owie Laruscain. Jersey number 9 on the free throw area. That's a crucial free throw. First shot is good. Ayun na, second shot. Coach Laruscain. Ayan na, timeout. Ikatlong kanluran. Walang kakabog-abog. Ito lang kakaba-kaba. Para kay Coach Laruscain. Jersey number 9. Ang free throw na yun. Iba na talaga pag binapractice mo ang free throw. Alright, timeout muna rito. Ang ikatlong kanluran. 75-71. Ang 4-point lead para sa barangay. Ay, sa barangay. BBC. Ayan. Last 23 seconds remaining. Both teams under penalty situation. Malong ang matanga ng bola. Oy! 4-3! Wala! Rebound number 5, no good. Rebound by Kolyado. There's a foul. Ayan na, crucial free throw. Coach Laruscain. Pagod ako siya. Oy! Wala. Di pumasok. Second shot para kay Laruscain, coach. Basket! Time out! Team ikatlong kanluran. Official score 76-71 in favor of the team BBC. 4-3. Wala. Uy.
3 seconds lang yan eh.
Wala na tayo natitira. 0.3 seconds. Number 7, Bayabaw. First shot, wala. Second shot para kay Bayabaw. Basket. At dito na po, nagtatapos ang ating laban. Congratulations, team BBC. Nakalusot sila sa team ikatlong kanluran. Muntika na yun. Congratulations and nice game para sa ikatlong panluran. And congrats para sa team BBC. Alright, our final score, 72-76. Panalo po ang BBC. Salamat po sa inyong panonood and God bless everyone.